It's Miss Steyert, and I'm here today to talk to you about practicing counting by fives. So counting by fives is a super important thing to be able to do. And I know we were practicing it a lot before we left school, but I know you've been home for a while. And my guess is you've been probably playing more video games than you have been practicing by fives. Am I right? I thought so. So what we're going to do today is remember what it means to count by five and practice counting by fives. We're going to use the skill of counting by fives when we count money and when we count time. So both of those things we're going to do over the next couple weeks. So we're going to remember how to count money over the next couple weeks and practice that. And then I'm going to teach you some more about counting money because I think we just started that when school closed. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our hundreds chart. I'm just going to remind you what it means when we count by fives. So when we count by fives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is a group of 5. And we could just count all of these numbers and count to 100, which is super fun to do sometimes. But sometimes we have big numbers to count, or we want to count quickly. So we can count groups. So if I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the next group of 5 numbers takes me to this number, number 10. And if I count 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it takes me to this number, number 15. If I count 5 more numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it takes me to this number, number 20. What do you notice about the groups of 5? I notice that all of these numbers end with a 0. And I notice that all of these numbers end with a 5. I colored all the 0 numbers and the 5 numbers yellow. We did that in school too, a while ago, just to help us remember. So I will send a chart like this home with you in the mail to help you practice counting by fives, so that when you're counting money and when you're counting time, if you need a little help, you have it. So let's just practice. So when we count by fives, we start at the top and go to the bottom, just like when we read and count other numbers, but we only count the yellow numbers. Remember? Okay, let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good, let's see if we can do it again one more time, and then I'm going to let you practice by yourself. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Super. See if you can touch your computer or your tablet screen and see if you can count by fives the whole way from 5 to 100. Go ahead. Nice. Good job. Nice job. I like how hard you were trying. So it's something that's super important for us to be able to do for all of our big kid math. So I want you to keep practicing until you can do it all by yourself. Thanks for coming and thinking about counting by fives with me. I miss you so much and I hope to see you really, really soon. Bye.